3, 2, 1, here we go. Express root 48 plus root 108 in the form k root 6. We need to split up each of them into a square number. That is the strategy when we do surd questions. We must choose a square number. Now 48, let's just think of our factors. So what's a good one? 4 times 12. Now why is this a good choice? Because 4 is a square number. I'm just writing it twice because then we can put a square root sign above it. Root 48 is the same as root 4 times root 12. Now we split that up. You see root 4, that's the same as 2. And 12, we can also split up again. 12 is the same as what? It is 4 times 3. So why is William writing it in this way? Because now we can split that up again. 12, root 12 is root 4 times root 3. And you see that bit? That's the same as 2. So really, this is 2 times 2 times root 3. And if we write that fully, that is the same as 4 root 3. So just bear that in mind. 4 root 3 is the same as this. Now, how can I show it in another way? Well, there might have been an option. There might have been a way just to get a factor quickly. If we look at this, there is actually a bigger choice. I'll put that in blue now. 48 is the same as 3 times 16. Why is William choosing this? Because now we can put a root over everything. Root 48 is the same as root 3 times root 6. Why am I choosing this? Because root 16 is the same as 4. So this is really 4 times root 3. And you remember the term I wrote in the bottom right corner? It is exactly the same. Let's write that above 4 root 3. We will now do the same thing with 108. Let's pick a few factors and then we split it up. 108, well, if we look at that, that looks like in the 2 times table, the 4 times table, and also 6 and 8 times table, really. It's just about trying, not the 8 times table, the 6 times table. Let's split that up. Does that look good? Let's think of the 3 times table. That's a clue. Why is William choosing 3? Because 3 is used there. So it's like we're cheating a little bit just by looking at the other one. 108 is the same as 3 times 36. And then you now write it in that way. 108 is 3 times 36. Why put the square root signs? Now we can change it. You see 36, that is the same as 6. There's a root 3 at the front, so really turn it around because normally we put the number at the front. 6 times root 3. There we go. So that bit is 6 root 3. We are adding the 2 together. So we have 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Let me just jot it here. 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3 equals 10 root 3. Done. At the start, I don't think I mentioned it was a typo, but when going through it, we get 10 root 3 instead. So I'm pretty sure that is a typo. It shouldn't be root 6. Unless we can change it into root 6. That is what it says. Let me just go a step further. So 10 root 3. No, I think that's a typo. No, I should say root 3. We can keep it like this because the point of these questions is to simplify fully. There's no point having root 6. They really should say k root 3. That is the answer. Done. We can always type this in the calculator just to bring some meaning to the surds. 10 times root 3, that's about 10.1.7. 10 times 1.7, so it's about 17. You can type it in your calculator just to check. So there we go. That is a surd video. 4 minutes, that is suitable. So my normal way to end these videos. Here. Top left corner will be one video, and then bottom left corner will be another suitable maths video for you to keep learning on this channel.